If you are a voiceover artist or a singer or a YouTuber, then you must need a great condenser microphone. But every condenser microphone has lots of high prices. But if you are looking for a budget condenser microphone, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the best 3 condenser microphones in your budget. We are select all products depends on quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. The first name of our list is Fifine T669 Studio Condenser Microphone. The Fifine Home Studio USB condenser microphone pickup pattern isolates the main sound and uses noise-canceling features to avoid recording other noises. It comes with a tripod-style stand to keep it stable as you record. The microphone, once you connect it to your computer with the included a USB cable, will be ready to use. It is compatible with Mac and Windows operating systems. You can use it with all of your desktop and laptop computers. This microphone features a unique retro-style design. If you are looking for added flexibility, you can consider a USB condenser microphone. It is suitable for Windows, Mac, ideal for gaming, streaming, YouTube. Mute button with LED indicator. Computer USB microphone.it is so flexible you don't need to adjust your posture, you just bend it to whatever you need. The second name of our list is BM800 Condenser Microphone. If you are a podcaster or a YouTuber, you know the value of having a condenser microphone in your arsenal of equipment. Condenser microphones are the most common types of microphones you'll find in studios. We all want our voice to be heard, but sometimes shyness overcomes our ability to speak proudly in public. This condenser microphone helps you to deal with your shyness. BM800 condenser microphones is one of the best microphones in the world. It is very popular worldwide for its excellent sound equality and affordable price. BM800 condenser is the greatest microphone with a good cardioid polar pickup pattern, high output, low self-noise, and also have suitable especially for studios. The third name of our list is Mauno A04 Condenser Microphone. If you are looking to buy a microphone specifically for recording, this Mauno Professional USB Condenser Microphone is the best product for you. Its advanced active noise reduction technology makes you focus on what you want to hear. Mauno provides one more adapter, which you can connect to a mixer. It is especially suitable for YouTube, recording, podcasting, gaming, etc. This condenser microphone set will make your life more wonderful. We are giving this 3 product link on the description. If you have any questions about these 3 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.